It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Friday, the 12th of January. I'm Michael Groff. A warm and dry weekend ahead here in the Southwest with a warming trend continuing into much of next week. Temperatures going way above average. When might our next chance of rain come in, as well as cooler temperatures? Well, let's see if we can find some answers as we look out there this morning. 70 degrees, the high in the valley yesterday after a morning low of 48. That is above average. And right now, outside here at 5:50 a.m., we start this day out at 50 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 46, humidity 87%. The winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning. Most of us are in the 40s right now. Water vapor satellite view shows a dry northwest flow setting in as high pressure builds in across the southwest states. That area of low pressure that affected us earlier this week, it's now in the southeast U.S. The watch warning maps, some winter weather advisories way up north across parts of Montana, some avalanche warnings there as well. Winter weather advisories for much of the Northeast, the Great Lakes, and extending as far south as places like Memphis and even into northern Mississippi. They could see a little dusting of snow in the Tennessee Valley this evening. Wind advisories out ahead of that. On the convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe storms today on the coast of North Carolina. And rainfall around here for the next 7 days. Absolutely nothing for us here in the valley. And pretty much nothing statewide, as we will be in a very tranquil period here in the Southwest. And we'll talk about why that is as we get out to the models right now and take a peek at it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 18,000 feet. Here comes a ridge of high pressure building in a dry northwest flow. Down at the surface today, see a few high clouds, otherwise mostly sunny skies. Highs today climb into the low and middle 70s. The GFS printing out 74 this afternoon. That looks about right. Tonight, mostly clear, lows in the 40s. Tomorrow, some high clouds around. We'll say a mix of sun and clouds, highs mid-70s, pretty much the same thing on Sunday. Monday, for Martin Luther King Jr. Day, you're heading out to the parades or some of the festivities. Looks like a beautiful day with highs again in the mid-70s, mostly sunny skies. We'll see some high clouds in here on Tuesday, highs again mid-70s. Same thing Wednesday. How about that? A 970 millibar low off of the Pacific Northwest coast, and they're going to be getting plenty of rain, wind, mountain snows up there, but we will stay dry. Same thing for Thursday. Highs again, mid-70s. Here's a week from today. This is Friday, the 19th of January, and we see clouds on the increase as a pretty impressive cold upper trough moves through the Great Basin. Looks like most of the energy and dynamics at this point are going to stay to the north of Arizona. There could be enough moisture for some widely scattered rain and snow showers in the northern part of the state, but right now it looks very, I would say, sketchy whether or not we'll see any precipitation down here in southern Arizona. So for now, we'll just call it partly cloudy, turning breezy and cooler, highs falling back into the upper 60s. Saturday, we might be down into the low to mid-60s. This is Saturday the 20th, and then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period, Sunday the 21st of January, and that looks like a bit of a warming trend setting back in with highs getting back to around 70 and mostly sunny skies, but another trough looming off of the Pacific coast as a more progressive pattern sets up. Let's check the temperatures. This is coming off of the National Weather Service blend product, and it looks like highs will stay above average for most of the period. We could see a bit more of a cool down by late next week, though, if the GFS solution does verify. And certainly the other global models are in agreement that we'll see a cooling trend way out there. But that's still a long ways out. A lot of time to take a look at that. And that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video will come back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there. Have a great Friday and a great weekend, everybody.